How much?
150.
Oh, it's 150 now.
Nakilala kami! Ang bata! Nakilala kami kasi Maureen ako si Daday. Nakilala na tuloy tayo. Nakilala ko pa naman yan, yung batang yan. Nakilala tayo. Wala na yan. Wala. So that's the third house.
And we get
Nothing.
nothing.
I told you I shouldn't have come here.
No, we need 2 more. Let's go, let's go.
I said we were going to get nothing.
We're just going to experiment. This way. 2 more houses and then we're going back.
It's 20, so I get 40.
Oh, your mommy, we're going to double it, right?
Yeah. Wait lang, ilagay ko dito. Okay?
Tinana na. Oh, you see, take a look if how much.
Isa na lang.
How much?
There.
It's 10 pesos.
Isa na yan.
So how much they get?
Isa na lang. 50.
No, it's 20 and then 10.
Oh.
It's 30.
So I get 60.
Yeah.
Because my mom doubled.
Yung dalaw. So you take a look. This way. Let's take a look.
It's a 20.
Let me see.
It's a 20.
Oh, it's 20. So how much?
Isa pa, dali.
20 plus 10 plus...
50.
Oh, it's 50 now.
So now I have 100.
Yeah. How much?
150.
Oh, it's 150 now.
I get 300.
Oh.
Yay!
Oh, let's go.
Bahay na tayo.
Oh, we're going home na.
Yay!
Hi. Magkano yun, Day?
100.
100? Wow.